कितें मेळ्ळें about
I came to meet I came to meet him because I had to give him some details like where our flights are ready to fly, how they can fly, which port. So that is why I had come to give him all the details like how we can work it out. Okay, we can't just sit and question. Ultimately, even we need to take an initiative to remove the details like how we can fly, how the airports can be opened, how we can figure it out like which port, which airport, what everything. So sir has given an answer. He'll tell you. He'll let us know. He'll put forward this also things, and he will work on it. And he's actually working on it. It's not he's worked on it. He's actually working on it. And yeah, he said to wait for 2 days. He'll give that answer on it. He has taken the documents what we have forwarded, and I am sure that he will go ahead with it.
How you see the seafarers in Bombay first start they come down? Did you spoke about them also?
Yeah, I've spoken to them also. There are also procedures on. I put that also word forward to sir. He said, just give me today's day, Gina. I'll figure it out. Like what transport, what has to be. See, ultimately there is a procedure for it. So everything is permission is done. Only now we have to see is their transport from there. And Karnika, what they're talking about is they are already test samples have been taken. It takes ultimately 48 hours the test to come. So this lot of Marilla has to come to Goa, and then it's Karnika that will be coming. So yeah, I am damn sure that they'll come soon. Maybe today, yeah, by tomorrow. I think this is what I feel as I spoke to sir. This is what.
The initiative that you have taken after that everything became smooth and how you see this whole procedure?
Yeah, it's at a good expect that what I see, but then I'm expecting the offshore to come soon because we have got one more phase left. Okay, the boy stranded on this land. First, offshores have to come. It's not only the land what is there, but it's the offshore and the land people who are stranded. So I have a focus on that right now. Those boys have to come safe and sound before they go into a bad things. So we are working out on it. We are trying as much as I can. I don't have a base. I'm a commoner seafarer's wife. I am. So how much I could, I put up front of sir, and yeah, I got a good answer from sir also that he'll work out on it, which he's working out, which you're getting an answer. We have just put forward our perspectives, like how we could get the flights, which airport is nearby, which cruise is where. Okay, so this perspectives we have put ahead.
But how you see the government have done after your education? You are happy with it right now?
See, if you go to say happy in sense, I'm still waiting for good positive vibes coming up. Okay, if you go to see from Shripad Naikji sir, yes, he has given me good answers, and even the further procedure of the coming boys, I am damn sure he will do it. He will make sure to do it. That is.
But has he spoken about opening up the airports and all? What it is?
Yes, I spoke to him regarding opening up the airports. So that's what we have put up a plan. Which airport, which boys are strangled where, which seas, which is the nearest airport. We have put forward this prospectus to him, and he said, just give me this 2 days. We will also work on it and take a permission from our also embassies and see. Got enough details. If he needs more also, I will surely coordinate with that. How much I can, I will give that also to him.
आमचे जे सीफेरर ते भायल्या कंट्रीनी अडकल्ले आसात आणि तांचो प्लान जो आसा तो प्लान इंडियेक येवपाचो प्लान तेंचो ऑलरेडी ठरलेलो आशिल्लें सांगताले म्हाका काही देश जे आसात तांणी केल्ले परंतु इंडियेचे एअरपोर्ट जेन्ना उगडे जातले तेन्नाच हो प्लान फुडें वतलो त्यामुळे म्हटलें तेंकां की कितें आमचो प्लॅनिंग आहा तो फुडल्या विकाक आमकां कळटलो हांव तुमकां फुडल्या विकाक कळयता म्हणून साधारण ते जर फुडली सगळी व्यवस्था म्हणजे सोडून हाडले म्हणून जायना आणि त्यामुळे त्यांची अनसेलली क्वारंटाईन इतर सगळी व्यवस्था आमच्या इंडियन गव्हर्मेंटाक करची पडटली आणि त्यामुळे ती सगळी व्यवस्था पुरी जाल्यानंतर आमी तांकां परमिशन दितलें अशें सरकार म्हणटा त्यामुळे एक फुडल्या विकाक सोमार मंगळारा इतल्या आमकां साधारण एक SOP कितें आसा प्लॅनिंग कितें आहा सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचें कशे पद्दतीन तांकां हाडपाचें आमकां सादारणपणे कळपाची शक्यता आसा हांव म्हाका कळचें बरोबर तुमकां कळयता त्या पद्दतीन फुडलो प्लान कसो आसा गव्हर्मेंटाचो प्लान कसो आसा तो तुमकां हांव सांगता म्हणून हांव तांकां एश्युरन्स दिता
फाटल्या दिसांनी तुमी दिल्ली गेले तशें प्रत्येक विजीट आसतली आयसीच्या
चालू आसता आसता चालू आसता तो पण 3 तारखे पर्यंत तशें व्हडलेशें चलची ना कारण जो लॉकडावन जो आसा तो स्ट्रिक्टली अडेर केलो वता त्यामुळे खंयच कोणाक भायर भितर वचपाची सूट ना कारण ज्या पद्दतीन गोंय सोडलें जाल्यार बाकी सगळ्या राज्यांनी आमच्या शेजारचे कर्नाटक आसतलें, महाराष्ट्र आसतलें, मागीर गुजरात, दिल्ली ह्या राज्यांनी ज्या पद्दतीन कोरोना व्हायरसाचे पेशंट वाडटात त्यामुळे थोडेशे स्ट्रिक्टनेसाची गरज आसा आनी तो स्ट्रिक्टनेस गायडलायन काडून सगळ्यांनी पाविल्लो आसा आनी तो इल्लो आनी स्ट्रिक्ट केल्लो आसा. त्यामुळे 3 तारखेपर्यंत हातून बदल जावचे ना. त्यामुळे 3 तारखे नंतर काही हालचाली जाय.
सो तुमकां सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर आमकां मेळपाक जाय रिश्यूचर तर तुमी मेळटले.
डेफिनेटली कारण ही प्रायोरिटी न्ही. ते म्हणटात उपकाराचेर काय न्ही, आमचें कर्तव्य न्ही, आमची ड्युटी ती ड्युटी.